Jai Hind student, I, Aarti Dua, welcomes you all in your GK class. Today we are going to start our chapter, that is chapter number 15, Book Club, page number 20. Now, question arises, what do you mean by book club? So, let's start. Become a member of book club and get hooked to the habit of reading. This will expand your mental horizons. Means, what do you mean by book club? Book club क्या होता है? Book club is an organization that ships selected books to members, usually on a regular schedule, and offer at discount prices. Means ये एक ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होती है जो सिलेक्टेड बुक्स को अपने जो मेंबर्स होते हैं उसको एक रेगुलर शेड्यूल पर मीन्स समय पर एक नियमित समय पर और डिस्काउंट प्राइसेस के साथ देती है, उनको भेजती है. ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल हु मीट रेगुलरली टू डिस्कस बुक्स दे आर रीडिंग. मीन्स जो ऐसे मेंबर्स होते हैं उनका एक ग्रुप होता है जो उन बुक्स के ऊपर डिस्कशन करते हैं और नियमित रूप से यानी एक रेगुलर इंटरवल पे उनसे मिलते रहते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड बुक क्लब. सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर चैप्टर. कंप्लीट द ऑथर नेम्स. स्टूडेंट्स, here are some names of the writers, means authors are written, and in one column there are some books names are written. So you have to complete this, you have to match the written books are of which writer, or this writer has written which book. So let's start. First, दास कैपिटल. ये जो बुक है दास कैपिटल, इसके जो राइटर है वो कौन है? कार्ल मार्क्स. दास कैपिटल ऑल्सो नोन एज कैपिटल, अ क्रिटिक of political economy, or sometimes simply capital, is a foundational theoretical text in materialistic philosophy, economics and politics. ये जो बुक है इन चीज़ों के ऊपर लिखी गई है. सो योर फर्स्ट आंसर इज कार्ल मार्क्स. इसके जो राइटर है वो कौन है? कार्ल मार्क्स. नाउ सेकेंड, गॉड ऑफ स्मॉल थिंग्स. इसके जो राइटर है वो है कौन है वो? यस, लुक एट द पिक्चर. आई हैव शोन यू इन द पिक्चर. अरुंधति रॉय इज द आंसर. द गॉड ऑफ स्मॉल थिंग्स इज द debut novel of Indian writer Arundhati Roy. It is a story about the childhood experiences of fraternal twins whose lives are destroyed by the love laws that lay down who should be loved and how much. So इस चीज के ऊपर ये बुक्स लिखी हुई है. योर आंसर इज अरुंधति रॉय. नाउ द थर्ड, द लास्ट ऑर्डर्स. यस, योर आंसर इज ग्राहम स्विफ्ट. योर आंसर इज ग्राहम स्विफ्ट. मतलब इसके जो ऑथर है इस बुक के द लास्ट ऑर्डर्स, उसके ग्राहम स्विफ्ट ऑथर हैं. और ये charismatic butcher Jack Dodds instructs his lifelong friends to make a special journey in the wake of his death by delivering his ashes to the sea. Means ये जो बुक है ये इस चीज़ पर लिखी गई है. लाइफ लॉन्ग फ्रेंड्स जो हैं वो कैसे लास्ट उसकी डेथ तक, उसकी जर्नी तक उसके एशेज को डिलीवर करते हैं सी में. सो बहुत अच्छी इंटरेस्टिंग बुक है ये. योर आंसर इज ग्राहम स्विफ्ट. नाउ फोर्थ, मिडनाइट्स चिल्ड्रन. Yes, look at the picture. I have shown you in the picture. Yes, your answer is Salman Rushdie. Salman Rushdie is the author of this book. और ये किस चीज़ के ऊपर रिटन है? Midnight's Children is a 1981 novel by author Salman Rushdie. It portrays India's transition from British colonial rule to independence and the partition of India. It is considered an example of post colonial, postmodern, and magical realist literature. It is very interesting novel. And my dear students, I would like to inform you that it is available in our library also. So your answer is Salman Rushdie. Fifth, Pride and Prejudice. Yes. Look at the picture. It is your answer is written on the screen. Yes. Who is the author? Jane Austen. Yes. Pride and Prejudice is a romantic novel of manners written by Jane Austen. The novel follows the character development of Elizabeth Bennet, the dynamic protagonist of the book, who learns about so many romantic things and all about that. So, your answer is Jane Austen. Sixth, the inheritance of loss. Who is the writer? Yes, your answer is Kiran Desai. Kiran Desai has written this book. It is a second novel by Indian author Kiran Desai. It was the first published in 2006. It won a number of awards, including the Man Booker Prize for that year, the National Book Critics Circle Fiction Award in 2007, and the 2006 Vodafone Cross Book Award. So, your answer is Kiran Desai. Seventh, Steve Jobs. Who is he? Yes, look at the picture. He is uh, he was an American business magnate, industrial designer, investor, and media proprietor. So, what is your answer? कुछ याद आया? यही वो बंदा है जिसने एप्पल को भी लॉन्च किया. सो अभी भी नहीं याद आया? योर आंसर इज वॉल्टर इसेकन. वॉल्टर इसेक्सन. Now, eighth, two states. Yes, uh, this book is related to very different cultural backgrounds. Krish and Ananya try to convince their parents to bless their relationship before they get married. Yes, इस चीज़ के ऊपर ये बेस्ड है. ये जो बुक है टू स्टेट्स. एंड व्हाट इज योर आंसर? यस, योर आंसर इज चेतन भगत. चेतन भगत की ये बुक बहुत ही पॉपुलर हुई और रियली में इसकी स्टोरी भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. स्टूडेंट्स, रीड वन. नाइन्थ, लाइफ ऑफ पाई. यस, Pai Patel finds a way to survive in a lifeboat that is adrift in the middle of nowhere. His fight against the odds is heightened by the company of a hyena and a male Bengal tiger. Yes, it is awarded for best music. Yes. So your answer is Jan Martel. Means Jan Martel is the author of this book. 10th, The Secret. Yes, The Secret is a 2006 self-help book by Rhonda Byrne, based on the earlier film for the same name. It is based on the belief of the law of attraction, which claims that thoughts can change a person's life directly. The book alleges energy as assurance of its effectiveness. दिस बुक इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. और ये जो बेस है इसका क्या है कि लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन मीन्स हम जैसा सोचते हैं वैसा ही होता है, वो ही अपने को अट्रैक्ट करता है. तो ये सीक्रेट बहुत अच्छी बुक है, यू कैन रीड. So, students, what we have learned? We have learned about book club. What is the meaning of book club and how it works? And we have read about so many books and their authors. My dear students, I would like to inform you that all these books are also available in our library. Come and visit once. Thank you and have a nice day.